We did yesterday. All right, so have your money out, ready to go. All right, let's start with something simple. Let's do $13. Pretty simple, $13. Where's your money? It gotta be in there because we didn't throw it away or anything.
I'll check in there, but
Okay, hold on.
I didn't put one. I even have my money though. What?
Okay, let's see. All right. Okay, so what can I do to have 13? I can get a 10 and a 10 and 3 ones. Good. 13, a 10, 11, 12, and 3 ones, 11, 12, 13. Good. All right, let's go up a little bit. Let's do $25. That's pretty simple. $25.
It's so easy.
25.
Just
$25. So 25. So guys, we could do a 20 and a 5 to make 25. A 20 and a 5. 25. All right, let's do another one. Gonna go up a little more. Let's do 37. 37.
Okay, just what is your name is
37. $37. Who are you talking to?
She kept telling me I was playing a game and I'm not even playing. No.
Oh, can you?
Okay, that makes more sense. I know it was. Yeah.
37. Let's see. All right, 37. I should add a 20.
Yep.
Then 10 makes 30. 5 makes 35. 36. 37.
Yeah, I got it, baby. You got it, baby.
All right, good. All right, good. You can put your money away. Good job.
All our money in the bag. Why should I just say 33? Stop that. Put your big money in the bag. Put your big money in the bag. Stop. Put your big money in the bag, baby. Stop doing that stuff. Oh.
All right, good. All right, let's cover a couple of things on the board. Please don't do that.
We are. Look. Really? What did you
All right.
say? You said big fat.
All right, so guys, we have some new subtraction facts that we'll be learning. These are the difference of one facts. They're pretty easy to remember because both of the numbers are one away from one another. So all the answers obviously are going to be 1. So we have 10 minus 9. That equals 1. 9 minus 8. 8 minus 7. 7 minus 6. 6 minus 5. 5 minus 4. 4 minus 3. 3 minus 2. 2 minus 1. So all this, like I said, it's pretty simple. That's because they're one away. If I have 4 and I lose 3, I only got 1 left. So just keep that in mind. All right, 34 plus 10. What would that equal? 34 plus 10 would be 44. Then we have minus 64 minus 10. I'm going back.
Whoa.
10. 64 minus 10. 54. And then 24 plus 10. 24 plus 10, Cairo. 34. Good. All right. So today we're going to learn how to read the fractional part of a set of something. So if you look here, I have my box of marbles.
You have marbles, I know.
Yep. All right, I have the marbles here. So let's look at them so we can see how many total do we have?
8.
8 marbles total. Okay. So we have 8 marbles total. So what I want to do is figure out the fraction of each color. So we'll start with green. Okay. So we'll start with green. I want to figure out the fraction of marbles that are green. How many are green?
2.
How many do I have total?
8.
8. So when I write that, I put 2 out of 8 are green because only 2 out of the 8 total are green. Do you see that? Okay, let's do the fractional part of the next one.
The bear is purple. Really?
Next is purple. How many are purple? 3. So, sorry, let me put that here. Purple. Purple. So, how many are purple again?
3.
Out of how many total?
8.
8 are purple. 3 out of 8 are purple. That's the fraction for purple. Let's go back to pink. Let's go to pink. Let's go to pink. So, how many are pink? 2. So, it will be 2 out of 8 are pink. That's the fraction of pink. 2 out of 8 are pink.
Orange. Yellow or yellow or yeah.
Next, let's do orange.
I knew
How many are orange?
1.
So what would it say?
1 out of 8.
1 out of 8 are orange. Okay, so guys, you will see this in your book. It will tell you what color to color some of them. Then it will ask you the fraction for a particular color. This is how you figure out the fraction for a particular color. You count how many, you have to figure out how many you have total. Then focus on whatever color it is that you have to focus on out of the total. Okay? All right, good. That's it for math today. Go ahead and get out your letters book. Page 88, I believe we're on today. Page 88. Page 88 in your math.
I know this one.
And you can get started. Page 88 in your letters book. Take your time. Make sure your letters are forming neat. Okay, you can begin. All right, awesome. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into our sentence writing this week. So remember, we are learning the proper usage of sit and set, how to use them properly in sentences. Sit and set. So when we talk about the word sit, what does it mean when we say sit? When we say to sit, it means what?
To rest.
To rest. If we want to rest, we will sit. What about set? When we say set, what does it mean? To put something down. So let's go ahead and practice some sentences.
When you only put on glasses, you can see the stuff that's floating.
Okay. All right. So I'll put a sentence, and I want you to determine whether or not you have to put sit or sit. So let's start with number 1.
Oh yeah, that was at Disney World.
Okay. Number 1, Dad sits or sets his keys on the table. Excuse me, table. Write it correctly. Dad sits or sets his keys on the table. You write it correctly and you put whether it's sit or sit. So let's go ahead and go over it. Dad sit or set his keys on the table. Okay, Cairo, how do we write the sentence correct first? We start with the what? So make sure, guys, when you wrote it, you capitalize your D. And so what would I put? Sit or set? Set. And then how do I finish it? Good. Dad sets his keys on the table. All right, let's do another one. Number 2.
Is he going to read 85 too?
I don't know. Okay, number 2. Mom asked me to sit or set the plates on the counter. Mom asked me to sit or set the plates on the counter. Write it correctly. You can wait. All right, so Mom asked me to sit or set the plates on the counter. Asa, so tell me how to write this correctly. So I start with my what?
You start with your capitalized letter.
Okay, capitalize that M. And so then what I put sit or set right here?
Set.
Set. Good. It's set. And then we put a what at the end?
A period.
Good. Because it's talking about plates. That's the thing. All right, let's do number 3. Okay. Number 3, I like to sit or set in the big chair. I like to sit or sit in the big chair. To sit or sit in the big chair. What will we put here? I like to sit or sit. How do we start? Capitalize it. I like to sit. And how do we finish it? Good. I like to sit in the big chair. Awesome. All right, good. So that's how we use sit and set in sentences. Good job, guys. All right, let's go ahead and move on to our phonics lesson. Did you read it?
I didn't know.
You didn't hear. You were up for a little while and then it went mute.
All I have to do
Okay, thank you. All right, so she's able to fly, and now she's able to visit a lot of different places, see a lot of different things besides the apple orchid, because now she can fly. So Katie is no longer a caterpillar, now she's a butterfly. She's out and she's a butterfly. Okay, awesome. All right, guys, that's it for our Zoom this morning. I will see you guys this afternoon for the rest of our lessons. Okay, bye-bye.
my phonics off.
Recording stop.
I don't know how. I didn't even tell you how to do that. All right, so let's go ahead. Harold chart 12, and then I'm going to introduce 13 today. Our next chart.
13 is the last one. Wait, you said 13 the last one? That's the last chart. Wait, we gotta be done the last chart. We gotta be done this one. Who's gonna hold 13? I wanna hold 13. She was there. I thought that was
All right, hold on.
she joined up. She said 13. When somebody said, whenever she said, when somebody said, when it says, and so foolish if they already knew. That would be bad if somebody, if they don't say if somebody else still did it, that would be bad. And that would be foolish if they already know not to do it. That would be so foolish. They know that he didn't do it.
All right, so let's look at chart 12. Shh. I told. All right, let's go ahead. A says A-L.
As and also
B-E says B, and because E is
says and and some people are said O-U-L-D says old and cool. A-I-R says air. Air. U says up. And punch. O-U-C-H says O-U says
in country. A-R-R says air, airy. I-R-E says ire.
No, but the fire is within. Really? Why is my eyes open tearing now? Because I need to go to bed. No, I just take a nap. I just want to go to bed. Every time I wake up,
I'm gonna get it now.
Wake up, and then she takes the blanket.
All right, so we are going to introduce chart 13.
My mom be doing that when I'm at her house. Let's chart 13.
All right, so this is it here. So I'll say the sounds first, guys. You can say them after. Hold on one second.